Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple and beautiful scarf, lacy scarf. It's only 2 rows repeating, so simple. You can do that easily and you can finish it very little time. It takes a little time. You can do that so fast. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. I'm so excited about this 100,000 subscribers, so happy for that. Thanks a lot. I don't know what did I use here Angora yarns. One ball is 400 grams, 400 meters nearly, but I use here maybe 30 or 40 grams, not 40 grams, 30 grams yarns. So simple, and use with 4mm hook. You can choose your yarn and hook, which type you want, but I suggest you, if you want to look like your scarf like lacy, you need to use thin yarns and big hooks. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful only 2 rows repeating lacy scarf. Let's start to crochet. We will start with magic ring. If it gets so tough for you, you can make with chain 4, then turn back and make a ring. Okay, then chain 3. Count as your first double. Yarn over, insert that hole again, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make 1 more double crochet. Chain 2, yarn over and make 2 more double in the same space. Then pull that yarn tightly and close this hole. Then grab 2 yarns together and make 1 chain. Then add here 2 more and count as your first double crochet. Then yarn over and insert this chain 2 space and make here puff stitch. Grab your yarn, lose it, yarn over, make 1 more, lose it, yarn over, grab your yarn, lose it. You have 1, 3, 5 and 7 loops. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1, add 1 more chain. Yarn over and make here 1 more puff, 1, 2 and 3. You have 7 loops, pull through all together. Then locked with chain 1 and yarn over, insert into the last stitch stop here and finish the row with double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work. Count as your first double crochet. Then yarn over, insert into the same and make here 1 more double. Yarn over, come to chain 2 space, make double, chain 2 and make 1 more double, make V stitch here. Then yarn over and make your increase, insert the last stitch stop and make here 2 double crochet, 1 and make 1 more, 2. Chain 3 and turn your work. Now yarn over and insert this stitch stop and make here 1 puff, 1, 2, 3. I have 7 loops, pull through all together and locked with chain 1. Then yarn over and come to chain 2 space, make here 1 puff, chain 2, make 1 more puff, pull through, locked with chain 1. Then yarn over and come to this double stop here and make here 1 puff, locked with chain 1 and finish the row with double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work. Yarn over and insert here top of this puff. I have here chain 3, my double crochet, add one more chain 4, one more space, make here one double crochet on my puff, yarn over, insert into the chain 2 space double, chain 2 double, yarn over, come to one puff, stop here and make double crochet, chain 1, insert the last stitch, stop and make here one more double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work. We have here chain 1 space, make here one puff, pull through, chain 1 lock, add one more chain and make here one more puff, pull through, locked with chain 1, then come to chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, pull through, locked with chain 1, add one more chain, yarn over, make one more, 1, 2, 3, pull through all together, locked with chain 1, then come here last and make here again one puff, chain 2, make one more puff, locked with chain 1, last stitch, stop, I insert and complete the row with double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn my work. Then insert my hook into the same stitch and make one more double crochet. Yarn over, come to chain 2 space and make V stitch, double, chain 2 and double. Come to next chain 2, double, chain 2, double. Come to last chain 2, double, chain 2, double. On the last stitch, make my increases, make 2 double crochet on the last stitch. Chain 3 and turn my work. Yarn over and come to second double stop, make here one puff, 1, 2, 3, pull through, locked with chain 1, come to chain 2 space, one puff, chain 2, add one more puff here. These are as usual, locked with chain 1, one puff, chain 2, one more puff in the same space, locked with chain 1, last chain 2 space, puff, locked with chain 1, add one more puff, come to double stop and make here your increase, make here one puff, locked with chain 1 and last stitch, stop, finish the row with double crochet. Now chain 3, this is our last increase. After that you will keep as same as crocheting. Yarn over and come to top of this puff and make here V stitch, double, chain 2, double. Then yarn over, come to chain 2 space, double, chain 2, double, come to chain 2 space, double, chain 2, double. This is the third one, this is the fourth one in chain 2 space, and come to last puff, make double, chain 2, double, and finish the row, insert the last stitch, stop with double crochet. I have 5 spaces for make my puff stitch shells. If you want to make it more wider, you can keep increasing. Okay, same as the previous rows, turn with 2 double and make your 1 puff and make your increases. This time you will always turn with chain 3 and make your puff stitches in this chain 2 spaces here. When you come to end, don't forget finish the row with double crochet. This is always repeating. The second repeating row, chain 3 and turn, yarn over and directly come to chain 2 space and make double, chain 2, double, make V stitch, next one, double, chain 2, double. Always work in chain 2 space. I don't make any chains between of this V, but if you need, you can add here 1 chain, it's not important. Next row you will make your puff shells in this chain 2 space. Starting at the finishing point you have 1 double crochet. I will make it more longer than turn to you, and I will tell you how you can make it decreasing. Okay, I complete and turn to you. I crocheted it nearly 75 centimeter. Okay, it's turning 1 time on my neck. If you want to turn it twice, you need to make it more longer. Now we start to decrease our scarf. Now we have here 5 spaces, you know. Chain 3 and turn my work, yarn over, and I need to decrease it. I will make in chain 2 space half puff stitch, shell puff we did. Now make here 1, 2, 3, pull through all together, locked with chain 1, come to next space, 1, 2, 3, pull through, chain 2 and make 1, locked with chain 1, make 1 more shell puff, chain 2, make 1 more puff in the same space, locked with chain 1, come to 4th space, chain 2, make 1 more, locked with chain 1. When you come to the last space, make again only 1 puff, locked with chain 1, come to 3rd chain and finish the row with double crochet, chain 3 and turn your work. Now we will prepare the V stitch placed, add 1 more, then yarn over, insert the top of this puff and make here 1 double crochet, then yarn over and come to chain 2 space, make double, chain 2 and make double, yarn over, come to next space, make your V stitch, come to next chain 2 space, make double, chain 2 and make 1 more double, yarn over, come to puff stop, make double and come to last stitch and finish the row with double crochet. We decrease now 3 spaces, chain 3 and turn your work. Now we will crochet 3 puff shells in this chain 2 space. 1, next one 2, and next one 3. Locked with chain 1 and skip this double crochet. You know this. I come to third chain and finish the row with double crochet. So we decrease them. Now again, as same as starting, we will make here one shell, chain 4 and turn my work, yarn over, insert the first chain 2 space and make here double, then yarn over and come to middle space, make my V, yarn over, come to last shell's chain 2 space, make double, chain 1 and come to last stitch and join with double crochet. I decrease it 1, chain 4 and turn my work, yarn over, skip this stitch, come to chain 2 space, make my puff stitch, chain 2, make one more shell, one more puff, sorry, locked with chain 1, skip this double, come to last stitch, stop and join with a double crochet, chain 3 and turn your work, yarn over and come to chain 2 space, make here V stitch, on the third chain make double. Now we come to last space here, chain 3 and come here 1, 2, 3, pull through, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and here chain 1 and cut your yarn. Finish this degreasing like that. Yes, we complete our scarf. It's so simple. Only you give it a 1 hour, give this project and you can do that easily. I hope you like it and you will try. It's totally beginner friendly, you know this. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.